What are different types of algorithms? There are several types of algorithms, all designed to accomplish different tasks. For example, algorithms perform the following. Search engine algorithm. This algorithm takes search strings of keywords and operators as input, searches its associated database for relevant web pages and returns results. Encryption algorithm. This computing algorithm transforms data according to specified actions to protect it. A symmetric key algorithm, such as the data encryption standard, for example, uses the same key to encrypt and decrypt data. As long as the algorithm is sufficiently sophisticated, no one lacking the key can decrypt the data. Greedy algorithm. This algorithm solves optimization problems by finding the locally optimal solution, hoping it is the optimal solution at the global level. However, it does not guarantee the most optimal solution. Recursive algorithm. This algorithm calls itself repeatedly until it solves a problem. Recursive algorithms call themselves with a smaller value every time a recursive function is invoked. Backtracking algorithm. This algorithm finds a solution to a given problem in incremental approaches and solves it one piece at a time. Divide and conquer algorithm. This common algorithm is divided into two parts. One part divides a problem into smaller subproblems. The second part solves these problems and then combines them together to produce a solution. Dynamic programming algorithm. This algorithm solves problems by dividing them into subproblems. The results are then stored to be applied for future corresponding problems. Brute force algorithm. This algorithm iterates all possible solutions to a problem blindly, searching for one or more solutions to a function. Sorting algorithm. Sorting algorithms are used to rearrange data structure based on a comparison operator, which is used to decide a new order for data. Hashing algorithm. This algorithm takes data and converts it into a uniform message with a hashing randomized algorithm. This algorithm reduces running times and time-based complexities. It uses random elements as part of its logic. 11 different types of algorithms, including search, hashing and brute force. What are examples of algorithms? Machine learning is a good example of an algorithm, as it uses multiple algorithms to predict outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning uses supervised learning or unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, data scientists supply complex algorithms with labeled training data and define the variables they want the algorithm to assess for correlations. Both the input and the output of the algorithm are specified. Unsupervised machine learning involves algorithms that train on unlabeled data. Unsupervised machine learning algorithms sift through unlabeled data to look for patterns that can be used to group data points into subsets. Most types of deep learning, including neural networks, are unsupervised algorithms. Machine learning used in artificial intelligence also relies on algorithms. However, machine learning-based systems may have inherent biases in the data that feeds the machine learning algorithm. This could result in systems that are untrustworthy and potentially harmful.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject.